Never seemed to me the structure fell about our feet and we were free to go and try one and try two. Guess it always comes down to alright, okay. Guess it's better to turn this way.
I heard you going on a journey, and your route is laid out plain. Going where the sun shines every day. No more heartache, no more pain. Don't pack those bags too full, my friend. Make sure you're traveling light.
Sublime, super fine, she was never lying, strutting in the heels or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence, was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come run out? I don't know. She'll just have them running out and in. Man, they
It's like I'm always causing problems, causing hell. I didn't mean to put you through this, I could tell. We gonna sweep this under the carpet. I hope that I can turn back the time to make it all alright for us.
So this is our JBL speaker we got a few months ago. Bought it on Amazon using a $15 discount, which was amazing. Super easy to charge, on off buttons on the sides. Very easy to use as well. We use it in the shower almost every single day, and we haven't had to charge it until about a month and a half in. So great for charging. Love it so much we ended up buying 2 more for gifts for Christmas, and people who got them just love it as well.
Now I'm trying to go be a housewife when I'm really just a whole wife.
Sally, stop. boy.